Are you looking to get into photography? Here are the best cameras to get started. Welcome to Tech News Now. Number 1. The Sony a6000. The Sony a6000 is the top option for a mirrorless beginner's camera. This is an older camera, but it still holds up as a great starter. It currently costs $370 for the body, and lenses will range in price, but you can grab a simple 50mm lens for $100 to $250. Number 2. The Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 is an excellent beginner DSLR. If you prefer DSLRs to mirrorless, this is a good camera to consider. It even has a built-in photography tutor. The Nikon D3500 can be found on Amazon for $640 and comes with the body and the lens. Here are some photos taken with the Nikon D3500. Number 3. The Panasonic LUMIX DMC ZS100. The Panasonic LUMIX ZS100 is the best compact camera for beginners. This camera may be small, but it takes some great photos. The lens shoots from 25 to 250 millimeters and can even film 4K at 30 FPS. You can pick this up for $600 on Amazon. Number 4. The Fujifilm X-T32. The Fujifilm X-T32 is a jump up in price for beginner cameras, but this camera is a premium mirrorless camera to start with. It has great quality pictures and can even shoot 4K video. With the classic film camera build, it ends up being one of the most stylish cameras on this list. You can grab this with a lens for $1,000 on Amazon. And here's some pictures from this camera. Number 5. The Canon EOS 250D. Finally, the Canon EOS 250D is the best bet for a DSLR camera that can also shoot 4K. On the cheaper end, this Canon is $515 on Amazon, and it even comes with the lens. With its high-quality photo abilities and great video abilities, this is a great camera if you dabble in both. And here's a bonus. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. The newest Olympus OMD is an excellent beginner vintage camera. This camera has a classic 4/3 sensor, which makes your photos feel vintage, and it can even shoot 4K video. You can pick the body up for $560. So if you're ready to start taking photos, hopefully these cameras get you going. We hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more tech news.
Great job out there, brah!